Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete an organizational unit in Google Workspace. This is particularly useful when you're restructuring your company's hierarchy or cleaning up unused departments, ensuring your admin console stays organized and manageable. First, open up a web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your Google Workspace environment. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Google Workspace Administrator account. Make sure you're using an account with the proper administrative privileges, as only admins have the authority to make structural changes like deleting organizational units. After signing in, you'll land on the Admin Console homepage. From here, look for the Directory option and click on it. The Directory section is where you'll find all the tools for managing your organization's structure, including users, groups, and organizational units. This is essentially the backbone of how your workspace is organized. In the left navigation panel, locate and click on Organizational Units. This will display a complete list of all the organizational units you've created within your workspace. These units help you apply different settings and policies to different groups of users, so it's important to make sure you're deleting the right one. Now browse through the list and select the organizational unit you want to delete. Take a moment to verify this is indeed the OU you intend to remove, as this action will affect all users currently assigned to it. Once you've selected it, look for the three-dot menu icon next to the organizational unit's name. Click on this icon to reveal additional options for managing that specific OU. From the menu that appears, click on Delete or Delete Organizational Unit. Google will then present you with a confirmation dialog box. This is your final checkpoint before the deletion takes place. Carefully review the information displayed to ensure you're deleting the correct organizational unit, as this action cannot be undone. When you're absolutely certain, click Delete to finalize the removal, and that's it. Your organizational unit has been successfully removed from your Google Workspace, helping you maintain a cleaner, more efficient admin structure. Thanks for watching.